Hey guys, if you're watching this video, it's for one of two reasons. You've been intimidated by this whole Forex world and you're kind of scared. You don't know what to do, where to start, or you're ready to get started and you want to know the steps. You've never done this before. Either which way, watch this video. I'm going to be very quick. I'm not going to be too technical. This is just in layman's term for the dummies, because guess what? I'm a dummy when it comes to this stuff. I'm not, the type that's charting. I haven't been studying this stuff for years. This is not what this is. We're getting you prepped to get involved with this US 30 sniper group, where all you're doing is copy pasting. That's it. If you can copy and paste, you can be successful. So you don't have to be intimidated by the Forex world and charts and squiggly lines and that Wall Street stuff. If that's what's been holding you back, don't be scared anymore. Let's get started. Making money from your smartphone, yes, it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. I've been doing it for a long time, and you don't have to be intimidated. Even if you still have your 9-to-5 job, even if you're busy, you got your wife, your kids, husband, whatever you got going on in life. This is something that 3 to 5 to 6 signals come in throughout the day, right? So you're only gonna need a few minutes and a couple of apps on your phone. The first thing that you're gonna need, and you probably already have this and you probably know about it, is Telegram, right? Everything is being sent via a Telegram channel, and that's the private channel on Telegram. If you are not in the public group, where every day I'm going to be showing just testimony and updates and proof and all that type of stuff, make sure you're in that US 30 snipers, the free proof group. That's the first thing. Telegram, got that out of the way. Second thing you're going to need, MetaTrader. All right, MetaTrader right here. Once you get the MetaTrader app right here, you're just going to download that app. That's the second thing you're going to do. The third thing you're going to need is a broker, right? There are so many types of brokers out there, with different leverage types and stuff. You don't need to know too much. I'll send you a couple of options, and I'll send you, if you don't know anything about a broker, I'll send you, I'll refer you to a broker that I'm using. So this is the one that I'm personally recommending. There are a bunch of them, and a lot of them move the same way, but you guys can read the information here of, anyway, I'm going with this one. So I'm going to log in, and this is how it's going to look like. So if you do not have a broker, if you've never traded, never done Forex, if you've done Forex already, you don't need to listen to this part. But if you're totally new, if you need a broker, I'm going to send you a link. There's going to be somewhere in the description, or whenever you're getting started, I'll send you a link to go ahead and register, right? You're going to register for this broker. You're going to put in your basic information, and then you're going to have to do the verification, right, with your ID or your passport, with the facial recognition, because this is the broker that's going to be paying you, right? So they do KYC, know your customer. So that takes it shouldn't take no less than 10 minutes to get everything verified, verifying your email, verifying your identification, and then going through the authentication. It's the two-factor authentication on your phone, right? Because you're definitely going to have a Google authenticator, and or you're gonna have the verification through your phone. So once you're in, this is the back office. I like doing everything from my laptop or PC. It's just easier and wider and just better, especially when it comes to depositing funds. So you're gonna deposit right here. You're gonna click this, and you're gonna make a deposit. Most of them is just, you gotta do it via Bitcoin. So you're gonna do make sure you have some Bitcoin. And you're gonna select the wallet, which is USD. You're gonna select the amount that you want to, put in. So, let's just say 5,000. And then it's gonna take you to a redirect page, right? Oh, by the way, if you don't know how to buy Bitcoin or use Bitcoin wallets and all that, Google and YouTube are your friends. So, how to buy Bitcoin. You're gonna have to just, go through these videos. This is one of the best ones, 99 Bitcoins, this channel, right? How to buy, how to send, do all that. Make sure you get your Coinbases and your Exodus wallet, blockchain, even Cash App. This is for newbies, but with Cash App, you can actually there's Bitcoin. So get a few of those apps and wallets, and then do some practicing of how to send, how to receive, and then you'll get back up to speed. A new page that this is where you're gonna send the Bitcoin to. right? Make sure that this is a one-time use wallet address. So that's it. Make sure you're entering the right Satoshi amount. And then once you send that, within a few minutes, don't X the screen out. It'll do it automatically. And then it'll take you back here, right? Waiting approval. Once it's paid, you're gonna see the balance up here. Next thing you're gonna do, well, first thing, you're gonna need to create an account if you haven't already. You're gonna create an account, right? You're gonna create a account right here. It's gonna be in USD. The leverage is gonna be 500. You're gonna put 500 as the leverage. And then you create the account. So there you go, right? You're gonna check your email. So boom, right here, new MetaTrader account created. So you're gonna go and then, welcome. And then over here is where it's gonna have, your password and all that, right? Account name, number, password. So you're gonna put the account number and the trader password so log into an existing account. So let's just do it right here, actually. So we're gonna put in Envy, and then we're gonna log in with the account number. All right, so I'm ready to sign in, and then boom, fresh account, right? You can click around on the trade here at 0 because you have no money in, right? The way you're gonna get the money here is you go back here. The money would be over here. So if you deposited at 5,000, for example, you would do an internal transfer. You're gonna go to internal transfer, and then it would be transfer type. It's gonna be wallet to MetaTrader, right? It would be the wallet balance over here, right? From USD, transfer to this account right here, 362813, right? 362813. Amount to transfer, you're gonna do whatever, right? Whatever's here, you're gonna just transfer, request transfer. It'll immediately hit your account, and then you are ready to trade and start copy and pasting. So now the same thing you're gonna do for withdrawing. Same thing for withdraw is right here. All you're gonna simply do, well, first you're gonna have to do an internal transfer. It would be from MetaTrader to wallet, right? So whenever you have your, you can't have any open trades. So let's say you wanna, withdraw some, you're simply going to, from MetaTrader to wallet, you pick which one, right? Obviously would have some money in there. You're gonna transfer it to your US dollar, and the amount to transfer, request transfer, and that's that. You're definitely gonna have to do a verification every time you withdraw. And that's it. You request a transfer. It's gonna be back in your wallet. So now to withdraw, pretty simple, right? You're just gonna follow these steps and withdraw type, Bitcoin, select the wallet, amount, request withdrawal. It's gonna you're gonna get your withdrawal in Bitcoin, which is definitely good to do and have. But hopefully this explains everything. The whole process of how we are making money. Once you get your account set up, right? Once you get your broker account set up, you're going to create an account for MetaTrader. And so it's easy, very easy to do. It's gonna be on the tab, you're gonna create it. And then you're gonna get an email notification that has the code and then the password so you can log in, right? You log in via your MetaTrader. So you're gonna log in through your MetaTrader, and then, right, this is how it's gonna look like. So it's MetaTrader 4, and you're gonna log into an existing account. So all you're gonna do is just enter the name. If it's a Hugo's Way broker, then it's Hugo's Way. But I've used FX Sway, and the one that I'm gonna be showing and sending most of you guys to is the Envy right here, Envy Forex. So let's say, for example, all right, it's gonna be an NV Live, right? NV Live, and this is where you're gonna put your login and your password. So, since we're dealing with mostly US 30, right? I dabble a little bit with the Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's a whole other topic. But usually you're going to see a bunch of pairs over here. You're going to see like the euro and all the other types of, the US dollar, Canadian dollar and all that. I just deleted all of them. And this is where you go to add a new one. So, for example, the US 30, it's already there, but you would just type in US 30 because that is the indice that we are that's the indice that we're trading. So you see it's already there, US 30. That's all we're dealing with. So that's all you're gonna search and input it there. So now we are ready to trade, right? Everything's set up, you've registered with your broker, you got the MetaTrader, you got the Telegram group, you're paid in. Now what? You sit and wait for a signal to come in. Make sure you have your notifications turned on, okay? Hopefully, if you're at your job, you better go to the bathroom real quick. If you're driving, you might want to pull over, all right? If you're sitting at home on the couch, like I am, you can comfortably do it. But they come in throughout the day. It could be the morning, it could be the afternoon, it could be at midnight. We've had a signal at 11 midnight before. So they come in throughout the day. I mean, if you miss one, don't worry. You can always get the next one. Make sure that you come in at the right time, right? If you didn't notice that a call came in and it was half an hour later, it might have been too late. So just stay away from that specific signal. All right. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna get straight to the copy and pasting. So the signal's gonna come in, and you're gonna see some numbers, right? You're gonna see either at the top, it's gonna say a buy, right? It's gonna be a buy execution or a sell execution. So you're gonna know whether we're buying or we're selling. Then there's gonna be the entry price, right? The entry price is pretty much the price of whatever a US 30 is at the time, 34 something. Then the third number you're gonna see, the SL, is stop loss. Stop loss is simply, in layman's term, because everything's a risk, right? This is you're risking some of your money to be able to make more money. So if for whatever reason the trade goes, the opposite of what you want it to do, right? You want a profit. If it happens to go down, the stop loss is the lowest thing, like that. That's when the trade closes automatically. That's another good thing because it's good to have your stop loss. I'll get back to that. So the next is the take profit, TP. Take profit is the price that's been predicted, right? That's expected that you want to hit. So obviously not all of them, hit, right? But if you win more than you lose, we're definitely in a good situation. But TP is just the take profit. So this is good because a lot of people are busy, right? Like I said, it's a lot of people that you might have your 9-to-5 job or whatever the case may be. When you're copy and pasting this trade, you don't have to sit in front of a computer, for hours and chart. You don't have to do anything. All the work was already done for you. The work was already done for you. All you have to do is copy paste. So you put your stop loss. Okay, if the trade happens to go negative, it's not gonna go any lower than that. And the take profit that's where you're gonna the trade closes. You've taken profit. There's gonna be at least 4 to 5 take profit. So these are some signals that hit, right, this past week. So let's look at one, right? There were some sells. Let's just say buy, right? So they're either gonna say buy or they're either gonna say sell, right? So let's just, for example, a buy call, right? This was earlier this week. Don't copy this, by the way. So the entry would be 34243. That would be the price at the time. Stop loss this is the lowest it could go, and then the take profit here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the trader. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the trader, and we're going to trade the US 30, which is the Dow Jones. Now, the stop loss would be input here, right? So all you would do, right, is if you see the stop loss at 34209, you would just put 34209. And then take profit would be any of these right? Like I explained. So 34270, for example, that'd be the first one. So there's usually 4 or 5 take profits. So, you know, I would just do 5 different trades. So 34270, right? So now lot size, depending on your you know, risk tolerance and depending on the amount of money you got in your balance, right? If you have $1,000, if you have anything less than, let's say, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you're gonna want to stay in, you know, the 0.01, maybe 0.02 if it's a, you know, real good trade. 0.03, no more than 0.05. If you have a few $100s, I mean, you know, you got to stay here. You got to stay right here. But I'm not the most articulate when it comes to lot sizes, so I'll probably just put another video after this to explain lot sizes and risk tolerance and stuff like that, risk management, and I'll have some stuff you can read below when it comes to that. But this is, in essence, you know, what you're willing to risk. All right, if you have like a massive account, if you have, you know, something in the, you know, 50K range, you know, 100K range, you could do, you know, a standard, you could do $1. But anyways, all that other lingo, I'll just leave another video so I don't butcher it. And then you would hit buy. I'm not gonna hit buy because that's already a past, you know, so you hit buy and that's it, you're good to go. And you could just copy again, you know, 3 or 4 times, depending. So normally I will go ahead and do at least 3 or 4 of them. If it hits all 5, that was just a total crazy day. You came up a lot of pips. Make sure that, you know, you at least have that because, you know, you just set it and forget it. That's really all there is to it. You set it and forget it. If you want to sit there and watch it, you know, I don't advise it if you don't have a good heart or, you know, if you get a little antsy, you know, just if you got a job, if you're busy with something else, you just set it and forget it, right? And that's about it, guys. You're copy and pasting. If I left anything out, you know, just ask in the group or ask me directly. But ask in the group, actually. Ask in the group so that way everybody can see. But that's really all there is to it, guys. We're copy and pasting, all right? I look to see all of you guys be successful over the next few weeks and months, and let's grow, all right?